What's up, guys? Got another unboxing here. You guys ready to check this bad boy out? Boom! RC4WD drive has a new kit out. Well, new body. Still a TF2, Trailfinder 2, but now they have a Chevy body. Kind of similar to the Blazer, but how everybody does a little customization and make it a truck. This is now from the factory. Does have some sweet rims on it. 10 scale like normal. Comes with bead-lock wheels. This one actually has a light kit built into it, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I already opened it. There's normally a lot of boxes and stuff inside of this, so I just kind of unboxed it earlier to make it a little easier on me. So we have the standard controller it comes with. Comes with a charger and a couple of adapters in case you live somewhere else other than USA. Comes with a manual and a spare grill. I'm not sure if it's different or just a spare. I'll have to check that out later. And it does come with some added graphics. So you can have like a little trim, window banner, and a bunch of little other random decals. Let's check this bad boy out. Of course, you gotta have the plastic on here to protect it. There we go. So the paint is real sparkly. It's pretty sweet. I don't know if you can see it in the video. You can maybe see a little right there. But it's a blue sparkle. Definitely the pops. Looks real nice. It has the mirrors just like how the Blazer has. You slide them out a little bit there. Turn them out. I believe the bed opens. Yep, bed opens. And the hood opens. There isn't like the big old crazy motor in there or anything, but you can still see the real motor in there. Doors don't open. It does have interior. And it does have these new cool wheels here. Nice wider tires. Definitely a cool look. Everything else is pretty standard on it. Basic TF2 in there. Leaf sprung like normal ones. Just Chevy body looking good. Let me see. I think I can turn the lights on here. I think the switch was there. There we go. So you can see the headlights there. And taillights there. Definitely nice cool touches. It does have corner lights in the front. And yeah, the orange lights in the front also. Yeah, I meant the ones on the side. Definitely lots of cool details in it. We'll take it, do a little trailing, and then eventually we'll start doing some mods to it. And see how this bad boy does. But for scaleism, it looks legit. Beautiful paint on it. Definitely digging the sparkly blue. I don't know. Let's see if we can see a difference in this grill. Oh, I think one just doesn't have a backing. This one has like a black backing on it just to add a little difference. But yeah, definitely a sweet rig. Go to RC4WDrive.com, check it out. Actually, I think it's RC4WDrive.store. Yeah, order yours up today.